Which is the type colors, man? I wonder.
Hmm? There's a sign. Pink's too, I think.
We saw that. Still.
Is that homemade?
No. Huh?
Looks dingy.
No, it doesn't. See.
You look at that, but you go right past the Phillies one.
Well, that's because I have Steelers fans in my family.
And this is genuine too.
That is cool.
That would probably be worth picking up.
Yeah. You want to trade this person on, baby?
Yeah, my color.
I know. The team.
Ah. What's in there? Full set in it. Anything missing?
I don't see any holes.
I do too.
Even though the multi-tool.
I see that.
I need one myself. A multi-tool.
I'm in here.
Close that up and take it over and see if we can see if they'll do a package deal.
20.
No. Fine.
Anything else? Oh, yellow, pink is $2.
Yeah, so I thought.
Anywhere out there, over there.
You do a package deal for me?
Yes, sir. What do you want for it?
She's looking at something else too.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit this down. She has the craftsman tool set as well.
Okay, you're good. I'll just leave your pile here.
No. You know how much Corningware I have now?
Yeah. I have a blanket at work, but I just use that on my lap. But sometimes it's a little chilly. Like it? They got that AC. Well, you might be seeing us in the future because we're actually looking. All right. So what do you got here?
So she has this. You have 20, you have 10, and then there's 8, and then this. So it comes out to 40. We do 30.
Yeah, 30 works.
Chip shortage, we're running out of cars.
Oh, wow.
Well, we were actually kind of hoping to hold off until like that President's Day time.
Do you want a bag for some of this?
Yeah, I better get one.
Hopefully then they'll start running, but we're down, right now we're down to 25 new cars.
Are you really? And yeah.
Everybody
Yeah,
needs
that's what we're
cars
kind of
nowadays.
the main because
No, not us.
and because how
We don't need cars. Car dealers do.
Yeah.
a whole bunch of stuff out of their act.
That was the industry I used to work in.
They were kind of waiting to I get that. And I have a home daycare.
Thank you.
Hmm? Hmm. Almost didn't see it. Good thing you got the balloons out there.
Yeah, we said with these trees, it's
Yeah, it's tough.
hard to see.
That's awesome. Somebody got crafty. It's cool though.
Here's a baby one.
We just got one.
Do you know what Mason thought it was? My son thought it was a pancake maker.
Yes, quesadilla.
Like,
Yep.
no, it's for quesadillas. We'll get in the car.
Right away. See how you are? No game system?
We sold it yesterday.
Somebody spilled coffee?
Hmm?
Somebody spilled coffee?
Yes.
I'm like, what is so sticky in this?
Yeah, they kicked the end and
It's all good.
the cup went flying.
I'm pretty sure because the one's still a little wet on the bottom. I'm like, I don't smell coffee.
Jeez.
Somebody took care of their games. Never fails. Get that one out. You said you sold the system yesterday? What'd you end up selling it for?
Well, it was in a, I think it was like $60.
That's good money for a PS3. I'll definitely take those. What are you asking on the clubs?
$15 for the putter and 15 for the driver.
You said, I'm sorry, 15 each?
Yeah. Is that all of them? All of them are 34, 32?
So, except for maybe the last. Oh, the darker blue are. These are 33 bits. I don't see
Oh, what you got there?
I got 6 games and these are not marked at all.
That's 50 cents, I think. Yeah.
I'm alright for now.
I'm not, yeah, I'm not taking those.
Okay, $6.50.
It's not a bad driver, it's just an older one.
Yeah, it is R7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to just picked up a whole ping bag.
Oh yeah.
Some I keep for myself, some I resell.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you.
Just picked up a white hot, the one with the interchangeable weights on it.
Oh yeah. Okay.
$5.
Oh yeah.
I'm like, yeah, I'll take that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep. You're welcome. Thank you.
All right, thanks for joining us, guys. It was pretty good yard sales. The first one was pretty good. The dewalt batteries, the craftsman tool set. I got to get a comp. I'm trying to get comps, and I'll pop it up here at the end of what I think it's going to be in the range of. I'm thinking about $150 or so. And the screwdriver set's missing one piece. Should do really well for what we got for sure. The Phillies bag. Then the next one, there was some games. The golf clubs were at $15. I couldn't make any money. I'd have to buy them for like $5, and I just don't like buying the older ones anymore. I've learned my lesson pretty quick when I'm buying clubs. So you end up sitting on a lot of them unless you make them dirt cheap to get rid of them. But stick around, and right after this, we're going to pop up the comps. Thanks for joining us, guys. See you in the next one.